The SHARPAL 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool is the must-have item for your outdoor lifestyle. It features two V-notch sharpening slots, a tapered diamond rod for serrated edges and gut hooks with a special groove for fish hooks, a fire starter, and a high-pitched emergency whistle. First, let's look at the #1 tungsten carbide sharpener. The tungsten carbide sharpener is for coarse sharpening and quick edge setting to help restore your double-beveled straight edge blade in several strokes. The arrow shows the proper direction for pulling the blade through. Make sure that the sharpener is on a flat surface and that the blade is inserted fully and vertically into the sharpening slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener, and that the cutting edge line is parallel to the flat surface. Then pull the full length of the blade through from hill to tip. The tungsten carbide material and the optimum preset sharpening angle is fast and effective. Then switch over to the #2 ceramic sharpener for fine honing. This will polish the blade to a finished edge in several strokes. The SHARPAL 6-in-1 also features a tapered diamond rod. This is perfect for sharpening serrations and gut hooks. Simply slide the rod back and forth several times on the area you wish to sharpen using medium firm pressure. An added feature on this rod is the special groove engineered for sharpening fish hooks. Another impressive feature is the integrated fire starter. When your matches are wet or your lighter runs out of gas, this can be a lifesaver. Just remove the rod and pull it quickly and firmly across the tungsten carbide blades. This will give you the spark you need to ignite your tinder and start your fire. Finally, the 6-in-1 includes a built-in emergency whistle. This is perfect for long-distance communication in the wilderness, whether it's your hiking party, your hunting dog, or even a rescue team. It emits a high-pitched blast that can be heard from very far away. And the reflective band on the side can be used as an emergency signal mirror. The SHARPAL 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool.
SHARPAL, giving you the edge.